Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer USDT from MEXC to MetaMask wallet. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your MetaMask wallet, and once you're here, you will just have to select the network that matches your USDT, which is either Ethereum, BSC, and Polygon. And then what you will have to do after that is you should see the receive button here. If it's visible for you, you will just have to click that, and then you will just have to copy your wallet address from MetaMask, and then you will just go ahead and go to your MEXC, and of course you will have to log in to do this. And here you should see the wallet, your wallet as well. So it should be visible right here if you've already logged into your account. And what you will have to do is you will select wallet, and then you will click withdraw, and then select USDT. Then you will paste your MetaMask wallet address, and then you will select the correct network and enter the amount. Then you will have to review the transaction fees and double check the address and the network, and complete the 2FA verification and click submit. Wait for the blockchain confirmation, and your USDT should appear in MetaMask in a few minutes. And yeah, you should always verify networks and addresses before transferring, because wrong networks can cause permanent loss. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.